welcome back to Kids Kitchen. Today we're going to be making earth cookies. I am so excited for this one. Also, if you notice something new, I just got a stand mixer. I am so incredibly excited about it. And yeah, I'm going to be using it to make our sugar cookies. So let's get into it. For this, you're going to need sugar cookie mix, a stick of butter, an egg, blue food coloring, green food coloring, a cookie sheet, and a bowl or mixer. Let's get started. Okay guys, so we're over here because the kitchen island does not have an outlet that is close enough to reach for the stand mixer. So I moved over here where there's an outlet and we're gonna get started. So if you are using a stand mixer, you're going to want to use the dough attachment. So this is what the attachment looks like. It's just like a little hook, kind of like a pirate's hook. And yeah, you're just gonna use this attachment. Also, if you don't have the stand mixer, like I said, you can just use a bowl and a spoon. I just really wanted to try with the stand mixer today because I'm so excited about it. So you're gonna read the back of your sugar cookie mix and just see what the steps are. So it has the recipe for drop cookies or cut up cookies. You're going to be doing the recipe for drop cookies. So it says 1 stick butter and 1 egg. So let's do it. So first we're just going to pour in our mix, of course. Just pour that in. And your butter is supposed to be softened. Mine's very cold, so I'm going to put it in the microwave just for a little bit. Okay, so I got my butter all melted, so I'm going to pour it into my bowl. Make sure your butter isn't fully melted. Make sure it's just soft. Okay, so we're going to mix this now just for a short time, just so it's a little bit combined before you add the egg. Just put it on low and increase the speed if you need to. So now we are going to add our egg. Okay guys, I am so sorry because I thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't. And I accidentally colored the dough off camera. It's okay, I can still walk you through how to do it. I just won't be doing it myself. So start by splitting your dough into 2 bowls and putting about maybe 10 drops of food coloring into one of the bowls. Put 10 drops of blue food coloring into one of the bowls, mix it up, and then put 10 drops of green food coloring into the other bowl and mix that up. So now we're ready to mix them up. So start by grabbing a little bit of blue and a little bit of green dough, and just mash them together, and then you can make them into a little ball. And if you notice, it doesn't really look like earth and it just looks like 2 colors, you can kind of fold it like this and round it again. There we go, that looks a little better. So now you can just put those. Let's make a couple more to fill the baking sheet. Okay, so once our oven is all preheated, we can put these in. Wow, these cookies look so amazing. Great job.